The question is 1 over 10 minus, inside first bracket we have 1 over 20 minus 1 over 23. Now again here are two brackets, the second bracket and the first bracket. So which one should we do first? We should do the operation that is inside the first bracket. So this fraction subtraction should be done at first. So in our next step, we will first do the LCM of the denominators to subtract the two fractional numbers. So if we do the LCM of the denominators 20 and 23, what would we get? There is no common factor between 20 and 23. So for finding out the LCM, we can just multiply 20 and 23 and we get 460 as the LCM. So in the next step, what should we do? We should take the denominator as 460. The LCM of 20 and 23 is 460. Now we should find out 20 multiplied by how much is 460. So that we will be finding out by dividing 460 by 20. So 460 divided by 20 multiplied by 1. The numerator is 1, so we will do multiplied by 1. So 20 multiplied by how much is 460? That answer should be multiplied to its numerator. Again we give the minus sign. And we find out 23 multiplied by how much is 460. In the other way, 460 divided by this denominator. Whatever the answer will come, we will multiply that to this numerator. So 460 divided by 23 multiplied by 1. This will be our next step. In the next step, we will just do the operation that is in the numerator part. So we are just doing 460 divided by 20. That gives us 23, of course, because 20 multiplied by 23 is 460. So, and 23 multiplied by 1 will be 23. So here we are writing 23. And after that, we will put the minus sign as it is. And then we can give 460 divided by 23. That will give us 20. 20 multiplied by 1 is of course 20. So we are not doing it again. Now, in the next step, we can just do the subtraction of the numerator. So that gives us 3. We have just done 23 minus 20, that is 3. Everything else is kept as it is. What to do in the next step? Before doing anything else, let us just remove the first bracket. Why? Because our operation inside the first bracket is over. There is no plus, minus, multiply, division, anything inside the first bracket. So now we have removed our first bracket. Now we have only one more bracket, that is the curly brackets. So we will do the operation that is inside the curly brackets. Again, that's a subtraction. We'll do it. Now we are going to do the subtraction. So the denominator is 10 and 460. We have to find out the LCM of 10 and 460. There are so many numbers that are common factors to 10 and 460. Let's take 2. 2 times 5 gives us 10 and 2 times 230 gives us 460. Again, 5 and 230 both have common factor as 5. So if we divide 5 by 5, we get 1, and if we divide 230 by 5, we get 46. To find out the LCM, we have to multiply all the numbers that are outside. So 2 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 46 gives us 460. There is another shortcut for doing this. Since our numbers were 10 and 460, and 460 is a multiple of 10 directly. So we don't need to do all these things. We can just write, since 10 multiplied by 46 is 460, we can just write that the LCM of 10 and 460 is 460. Okay. If there are two numbers and the one is the multiple of the other or one is the factor of the other, then always the bigger number is our LCM. Now let's come back to our steps of the main problem. So in the next step, we are going to write our LCM as the common denominators, that is 460. And now we have to find out 10 times how much is 460. 10 times 46 is 460, right? And 46 multiplied by 1 gives us 46, as we have written here. Again, 460 times how much is 460? 460 multiplied by 1 is 460, and 1 multiplied by this numerator, that is 3, gives us 3. So in the numerator, we can just write 46 minus 3. In the denominator, our LCM 460 will be there. What would we do in the next step? We'll just subtract the numerators. So 46 minus 3 gives us 43. Now can you cancel it? Is there any number which is A common factor of 43 and 460? I don't think so. So this will be our final answer, 43 over 460.